Hey yo, I'm just straightening my hair. I love my straightener. I use the Babyliss one, and it's really good. I really love it. Got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, but I think you can get anywhere. Like really and truly, it goes straight. Just sometimes with one swipe, my hair is so frizzy that it takes it to go over and over, but I really love the straightener. I hardly ever straighten my hair because I just try not to all the time, but I can't help it. So I usually straighten my hair at least about once every week or so. I hardly ever straighten my hair. If you watch my videos, it's always either in a braid or in a bun. But I don't know, sometimes it just takes too much time, but it's okay. It's a really good straightener. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond because of their 20% off coupons they do, and I got it for 20% off, so, which is pretty cool. I still have not gotten a tripod yet. I'm vlogging. Come here. Come here. Come here. You gotta say hi. Come say hi. Come on. Well, fine then. You playing your game? Huh? Oh my gosh. But I just love this straightener. It's really good. But see, I mean, it just like, like how cool that is. Yeah, you gotta go over it, but it's pretty cool. My hair is just not cooperating. Probably because I haven't straightened it in forever, but it's okay. I like that my hair is straight other than it's in a bun. Or braid. I mean, I like it braided, but I also got a new bathrobe, which is pretty cool. I mean, not cool, but you know what I mean. I love like bathroom stuff and all that. And that's how I straighten my hair. What are you doing? You're gonna talk. So I'm just gonna go on it real quick. I just really love this straightener. My hairstylist uses this straightener. And when she used it on me, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get one. And I just love how smooth it makes your hair feel. And I do use heat protectant spray. And then my shampoo has some heat protectant stuff in it. My husband does not like being on camera, so that's why you never see him. He don't like being on camera. He just, I don't know why he doesn't, but he don't. So that's why you never see him on the vlogs. But it's okay. He's a quiet person. Well, not towards me, but towards the internet. He's not an internet guy at all. He don't do Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, nothing. So like I do. I do it all. So he's just not into that. Well, that's why you always see me vlogging, because he doesn't really like to be on camera. And I don't make him be on camera if he don't want to be, so. But I will go in there and see what he's doing. I think he's on his game. But that's it. I just like to go over to watch, as you can tell. But that's how I straighten my hair. Well, I do go over my hair a lot, but whatever, it's fine. I like to make sure it's nice and straight. Because I don't part my hair, I just never really did. Don't really, I mean, I know how, but like, this is just so much easier. For me, at least. Yeah, that's about it. My hair is straight. Still kind of wet, but. Alrighty. I'm watching Tarzan. That's how I do my hair. What you doing? Huh? Playing your game? Huh? So I'm gonna cook some fries now. Okay. We're gonna have fries and pasta, and then he's gonna have some chili, aren't you? You gonna have some chili? So I gotta go get the fries. Let's see here. So, I cooked pasta last night, and it was so good. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Did you like the pasta you cooked last night? Yeah? It was good, wasn't it? And so, gonna cook some French fries. Okay. Let's see. Put it in the oven for how long? Don't say. Don't say. Okay. 425. So I'm just watching Tarzan. Love this movie. So, how many minutes does it say? 19, 20 minutes. So, gonna cook that. Oven's preheating, babe. So he's playing his game. I wanted to show you guys this awesome website. that I just discovered. I'm obsessed with cleaning videos, and I found this website, and it is so amazing. You get a lot of half-priced cleaning products. And this site is called Grove Collaborative. If you have not seen them, I've watched a couple videos and I was like, that's a cool brand. And they have Mrs. Meyer's. They just have a lot of cool products that you can find at Target or wherever, and it's cheaper. And I'm going to show you what it is right now. So this is what Grove Collaborative is. Grove Collaborative. I cannot talk. I mean, it's just so cool. They have Tom's. Let's see. I'll show you. Let's see. Shop by brand. Let's do that. So, I mean, these are all the brands that they have. They have Acure, Burt's Bees, Full Circle, and all of their products are natural, I believe. So I'm new to this site, so I really love it. I love Mrs. Meyer's. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite cleaning product. But they just have so many amazing products, and there's their price, and so yeah. Oh, I got this one. I'm pretty sure that's amazing. And no, it's not fall, but I love apples. Love the scent of apples, or the smell of apples. And so, I mean, they just have a lot of good, amazing products. And I just recently signed up, so, which is pretty cool. I'm excited to you know, shop more of the website. So yeah, I just discovered it from YouTube, and it's really cool. And it's free shipping if you have the VIP subscription. You get a 60-day free trial. And then, yeah. So I'm excited about this. They also have 7th Generation. Yes to Carrots, which is a great brand. Or, I mean, Yes to. I just love the Yes to Carrot brand. But the Yes to Blueberries, I mean, they just have so many amazing products that you can buy at, you know, your local grocery store or whatever, but some of this stuff is a lot cheaper. And free shipping if you do the VIP program, which I believe is $19.99 after the 60-day trial, I believe. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'm just so obsessed. And then another thing I'm obsessed with that I got, I see almost every YouTuber that cleans. I'm just gonna show you. This is what I'm obsessed with. This freaking tray that's amazing. You put your soaps on it. It is so cool. Like, I just love this. Like, you can use it in your bathroom. You can put, like, your Mrs. Meyer's on it, or whatever soap that you like. I mean, it's just, I love that so much. And so, yeah, that is Grove Collaborative. I love it, and I cannot wait to start, like, stocking up. I'm just so excited about this website. Like, I'm obsessed. Okay, guys, I watch all these cleaning videos, and, like, it's like, okay, I gotta have this. And I signed up, and it's pretty amazing. And so, definitely check it out. It's just a really great site. You can, you know, they have, you know, questions that you can ask them, and their customer service is so amazing. Like, here's a VIP program. I mean, it's just so cool. Like, I'm just like, like this is just an amazing site. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and yeah, gotta clear out my apps. But that's that. That's probably all for this vlog. I'm gonna cook and clean some more, and yeah, I'm just not really doing much tonight. That we're gonna go to his parents' house and play some Uno, and that's probably it. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.